Hey everybody, Pastor Bo Wagner. How you doing? Hope you're having a great day. It is hot out here today. It's already pushing upwards into the 90s. We've got some work we need to do out here. I'm here at the Hope Center, our church fellowship hall, and this bad boy, one of our two 15-ton units, is not working. We got a local HVAC company to come in and diagnose it for us last week. Bad fan motor. It'll run for about a half hour and then shut off. We paid them for the diagnostics, but the price they gave us for the repair seemed to be a little bit on the exorbitant side. They wanted about $4,600 to do the repair. I've had a little bit of experience with the fan motors, and I figured that sounded a little bit on the high side. So I did some checking, and I went and I bought the fan motor we need for $934. If we can get this fixed, I can save the church a whole lot of money, $3,700 or so. So let's see what we can do. First step, as you can see, got the power turned off because I like living. Now, let's get that bad boy opened up. And there we are, got it opened up. And that is what we need to replace. Okay, so I've got a 17 millimeter to loosen these up, a 1/2 inch to loosen these up. That will allow the entire assembly to slide upward, loosening this to let me get the belt off. All right, our belt is now off. Got everything loosened here, the housing raised, got the belt off. Now it's to get the fan undone. All right, got it opened up. These are the wires that come through from that fan. This is what they go to. So let's get those undone. Okay, next thing is to get a 9/16 and get these bad boys out so I can remove the fan motor. It's actually 1/2. Now we have it out. It's a matter of getting wires out of it and doing a new one. Almost forgot, we got to take the wheel off the one and put it on the other. So I got my Allen wrench there to do that with. All right, got that bad boy off. Now time to fasten it onto the new one. All right, we now have the new fan wired in, including the anti-short bushing. You want to make sure you get that in there. Got the cover fastened back. Now it's time to remount it. All right, fan is hooked back up. All 8 bolts remounted. Now let's put the belt back on and tighten it up. All right, belt is on. Everything flows smoothly. Everything good and tight. Let's hook the power back up. All right, everything's hooked back up. I'm gonna close the panels. We'll fire it up and see how we do. Well, so far, so good. But again, the problem earlier was it would run for about a half hour and then cut off. So I'm gonna close it up, check the temperature. We'll check another half hour, 45 minutes an hour, see how it's doing then. And we have cooled from 80 degrees to 75 degrees. Looks like a win. Hallelujah.